Full-scale child development. Stage 1. Newborn to 1 year. Full-scale child development. Stage 1. Newborn to 1 year. Physical development. 0 to 12 months. What changes? Head control. Rolling. Sitting. Crawling. Standing with support. Parent must do. Daily sunlight before 9 a.m. Floor time. No sofa-only baby. Oil massage. No walkers before 9 months. Damages hips. No screen exposure. Big warning. If a baby does not sit by 9 months, stand by 12 months, medical evaluation needed. No superstition. Brain and mental development. What's happening? Brain equals sponge. 1 million new neuron connections per second. Parent actions. Talk to baby constantly. Sing. Eye contact while feeding. Name everything. Killer mistake. Silent house plus mobile babysitter equals speech delay. Emotional development. Baby learns trust, safety, fear, attachment. What builds emotion? Prompt response to crying. Touch, smiling, holding. Hard truth. Let the baby cry to become strong is emotionally stupid and scientifically. Language development. 0 to 12-month goals. Recognize name. Babbling. Sound imitation. Parent must. No baby talk nonsense. Use real words. Repeat sounds. No phone while feeding. Social development. Learns face reading. Learns safety versus stranger. Learns bonding. Don't pass baby to 20 people daily. Force interaction. Moral foundation. Yes, now it starts. Baby learns. Kind tone versus angry tone. Calm versus chaos. Your anger becomes their personality. Sexual development. Handled properly. This is not about sex. This is about body awareness. Safe touch versus unsafe touch. Parents must clean gently. No teasing about private parts. No exposing child naked in front of others. Spiritual development. Even for newborn. Hearing prayer. Calm voice. Peaceful environment. Spirit equals sense of safety plus rhythm. Habituation. Habits formed. Sleep timing. Feeding timing. Touch response. Calm environment. No routine now equals discipline problems later. Toy and activity guide. 0 to 1 year. White heavy checkmark. Best toys. Cloth books. Rattle. Softballs. Mirror toys. Texture de mats. Crossmark avoid. Mobile videos. Flashing LED toys. Loud musical toys for hours.